Well, so a really big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this travel bag to try. This is awesome. This has got a massive 29-litre capacity. It also comes in 4 different colours, so you're going to find something that absolutely suits. This is not only a cabin bag, perfect for your hand luggage, it does fit under airline seats as well. But this is just generally a really good all-round bag, perfect for the gym, your everyday carry for work or for college, for a weekend away or an overnight trip. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. It has some amazing features as well, an absolute ton of pockets and inside storage. On the front here, it has this zipped panel, perfect for documents, keys, anything you want to grab to hand. Then behind it, there is a slightly larger zipped panel with the double zip on there to get completely opened. This is going to be great for your book, your Kindle, and maybe your tablet. On the back here, one of the best features as far as I'm concerned, you have another pocket here which has a zip at the bottom. It then turns into a slip-on for your suitcase handle. So if you are travelling with an additional case, you can slip the bag right over there and have that extra security that it's not going to fall off as you're moving around the airport, the train station or your hotel. The material itself is water resistant, so if you do get caught out in the rain or maybe you go to the beach or the pool, it is going to be absolutely fine. It'll be splash resistant. It comes with 2 hand straps and also a detachable overarm strap as well, depending on what you need. And the inside has a massive capacity. Not only is it also got that water resistant lining, it also has a slip-in pocket perfect for documents and also a zip bag perfect for cosmetics and things you want to keep tucked away safely. Thank you so much again to the team for sending it out to us. We really appreciate it. We're looking forward to taking this on many travels.